Alright, what's up, Jaycationers? We're here over in Sant Antoni. We're going to this spot called Wok Dao. It's an all-you-can-eat spot. And I just wanted to show you guys that we can get food that's usually expensive in the tourist spots. Over at this spot, all you can eat for just, I don't know, like 17 euro for a sitting?
Yeah.
So we'll check it out. I'm here with my roommate,
Hi, bro.
It's only 14 euro Monday to Friday, so not bad at all. And we're gonna go check out the kind of food they have in this all-you-can-eat buffet.
Price varies depending on the time and day you dine at Wok Dao, but for 18 euros at most, it's a great value. During low time, you can dine for 14 euros, and for little kids, it's around 9 euros.
So you walk in and the first thing you see are a bunch of jamon legs.
Not included in the flat rate are drinks, so don't be surprised to see extra charges for sodas, beers, wines, or whatever else beverages you order. They have an extensive selection of Spanish and Catalan foods like croquettes, grilled sardines, and a ton of seafood from the Mediterranean. I always try the razor clams and cuttlefish when I visit, and they also have Cargols and Catalan, which till this day I still have a hard time trying. I've done escargot in Paris before, but doing them in a buffet for some reason weirds me out. There is an entire section with seasoned and cooked seafood like mussels, and there are also greens and olives if you fancy some. The buffet can definitely be overwhelming at first, so just grab a plate and start light with some greens and a few carbs.
So as you guys can see, that they have everything. They got prepared seafood, they got seafood that you can get that's raw, that they'll cook for you. They got sushi, they got meat, they got everything.
Since this is an Asian buffet, you will find sushi and sashimi and an entire area with fresh seafood and raw meat that you can pile onto your plate and bring to the kitchen for the chefs to cook right in front of you. I suggest you try the Spanish padron peppers and play spicy roulette, as some may be spicier than others. You'll definitely want to come to this buffet on an empty stomach because you're going to want to try it all. Once you pack your plate, head to the area marked plancha for grilled and barbacoa for barbecue. They even have a section in the kitchen for the sushi chef, and just to the right of that is the dessert aisle with a nice variety of ice cream and a ton of unique desserts.
Thank you. Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, bro. Hi, bro.
Maano yan, hindi masarap yan. Mas masarap yung kinukuha mo.
They have everything, mussels, they even have cuttlefish here. They even got the snails that are particular to this region here in Catalonia. So like all for what, 13 euro?
13 euro. 14 euro.
That's amazing. 14 euro.
Eat all you can. You can eat this. I don't know what it is.
Craving some seafood paella? Well, look no further, as they have a giant pan full of it for you to dig into. The buffet also has various Asian foods like pot stickers and even pizza if that's what you crave.
So I'm starting off with some greens. I got some asparagus, some seaweed, some green peppers, spinach, broccoli, mixed with some lettuce. And then I got some mussels and some calamari and like one dumpling. I put a plethora of stuff here, and like that's already like 10 things in one plate. That's just a start.
This is crab. I'm a Mark Twain. Delicious.
See that? They even have oysters here too.
You'll also find crabs and crab legs if you're willing to do the work and crack them open to get to the meat.
Yep, you got that right. They even have lobster in this 13 euro buffet.
So the buffet's only rule is not to waste food, so make sure you only take what you can handle, because I think they charge extra if you have extra food on the plate.
It's pretty overwhelming right now. Like, look at this. We got little cockles and razor clams and mini octopus. We got our spicy sauce. Man, just non-stop here.
Do you like ham? Ham?
What is that?
This is a jamon iberico. Very typical in Spain. It's very, very good and beautiful. Look.
Yeah, you must put lemon. Whoa. Whoa, it's so good.
Ew.
No.
Dirty.
What's
Look at that,
up?
bro.
You see this pile of seafood shells just piling up, dude. It's crazy. Alright, it's time for round 2. Let's go.
When approaching these buffets, it's really important that you pace yourself and you take your time so you can pack as much as you can.
Round 2, I went with some pulpos a la Galicia, a little bit of paella, some croquetas, dim sum, cuttlefish, and some fried artichoke. Dude, I'm like going like crazy plethora of things here. Man, so I just had the croquetas, eating all this octopus.
Bro, I'm feeling in my finger. Patas de cangrejo, sin cuerpo, buenísimo.
So Sunny June has a way different method. He likes to get multiple plates at once and just go to town. He's got seafood, he's got steak, different types of mussels and clams, and he just goes to town.
This guy's got 4 plates all to himself. It's all for him too. It's crazy.
No, it's for everybody. It's for everybody. That's for me.
What is that?
Entrecot. And this one is cabra.
As the night goes on, you start mixing seafood with meats and zucchinis and pizza, and you can even try the raw oysters.
It's so big! Oh my god, I will die!
It's a crab, man. It's big.
I straight got American in this dish. Pizza, fries, well, and some croquetas.
Yan lang kakainin mo? Lungke ka.
He said that this place wins money off of me because I don't eat that much. But this guy is a machine. I'm really slowing down. Me and Ate Marisa eat like pigeons.
Ay, ang arte nyo naman kumain dalawa.
Dude, Sunny and Roel, they eat like freaking champs, dude. And Ate Gigi, man, Ate Gigi eats for like 5 people. Oh my god. For 14 euro on a weekday, and you get all this great food from this region of the world. I mean, you get razor clams, you get the escargot it's not called escargot here. But like, dude, you can't get this in any other buffet in other parts of the world. So good. Got shrimp on a skewer. I'm struggling, man. I don't know if I can finish this plate.
I don't know what's the name. Edamame? Edamame? Ah, okay. It's yummy. But I don't know.
Money.
It looks like money. It looks like peanut. But in green color. What did you eat, Precious? Tell me no, what did you eat? Patata.
Nakaliente.
Dude, that Sunny's like 9th plate.
Plate's smaller, bro.
I'm full, man.
He said, Kuya, he's full.
I gotta do a couple laps around this place just to walk off the fat.
Finally, they also have a giant jamon leg in which you can either slice for yourself or get pre-sliced right next to it. As for me, I was full to the brink, so I crashed the dessert table for some Neapolitan ice cream to end my night.
So I made this little Neapolitan ice cream sundae. It's fantastic. It's hitting the spot. I'm feeling the strawberry ice cream though.
Bro, Happy New Year.
So the reason why Sunny said Happy New Year is because it's a tradition here in Catalonia to stuff as many grapes in your mouth as you can right before midnight. I think I've done that before in a past Jaycation episode. The Spanish tradition is to eat 12 grapes in the last 12 seconds of the year. It's impossible to eat 12 grapes in 12 seconds. Happy New Year! Long story short, this buffet, Wok Dao, is better than some of the sit-down restaurants in all of Barcelona. I mean, you're getting great value at 14 euro on a weekday. and you got a great assortment of seafood, meats, sushi, and everything else. And a lot of stuff that is specific here to the region of Catalonia. So it's one of the most unique places to go to here in Barcelona, and for your value, I mean, you guys gotta try this place. Wok Dao, it's in Sant Antoni. Go check it out. Alright guys, so that's it from Wok Dao here in Barcelona, Spain. Great food, great value. I definitely recommend it. He's full, I'm full, they're all full. Please subscribe and comment below. What's your favorite buffet in the world? Let me know in the comment section. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. I got great content in Barcelona and around Germany and Austria coming up, so go check it out. Jaycation, it's your boy.